Hi guys, so today is a holiday in my life. I'm gonna show you what I do whenever there is a holiday. It's 8:23 a.m. I slept late last night because I cleaned the house. So in the morning, I opened the window and it's still raining hard outside. I like living alone because it helped me reflects on what to do in my life. I've got to see the beauty in me and how I am responsible for myself and for what I want to do in life. So in the morning, I usually read an article. Usually I read this Health and Home because it's interesting book and it has a lot of knowledge. And I also read the Bible. And I love this Bible because it's color pink. And yeah, after I read, I have some prayer and talk to God about everything. And I set the mood before I clean the house again. So last night I cleaned my bedroom, which is upstairs, so I'm gonna show you that later. Just today I cleaned my entire house. I cannot imagine cleaning a big house because my house is really small, but it took me a lot of time just to clean it. So this is my motorcycle. I need to cover it. I don't have plan of going outside today because of heavy rain. And I like cleaning the carpet because of that small thing. It allows to clean the carpet without too much effort. It's like you're just playing, so I like it. Once it is full, I just need to peel it off just like that and throw it away, and then it likes a scotch tape. That time, my favorite music just play on, and after cleaning, I decided to take a bath and usually sit there and think of what will be I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. But then again, I have a lot of stuff to do and I plan to curl my hair. So first I need to take a bath. Yeah. And then I'm done. My bathroom is not yet done. So I'm not gonna show you yet. Yeah, I love wearing a shirt that is being cut. It's so comfy. So that's my pambahay. So I prepared that. I took a breakfast and cleaned my face. And yeah, I am a Cetaphil baby. Also, I like to keep myself. This time is 11:54. I'm going to DIY my hair. I have here pagoda, so this is used to curl my hair. I'm gonna just curl this already. So let's see how this works. I really like to curl my hair ever since because I feel like my face is kind of bigger when my hair is really flat. Okay, so right now going to apply hopefully not that. chemical I applied was really so baho. So I had a headache, but the is ganda is life. So I did it myself. I only spent like 200 pesos just to curl my hair. I don't want to go to salon because if I go to salon, um, I guess that they cannot achieve what I want for my hair. And I just want to try it by myself also just to see if I can do it myself. Because usually I like doing everything by myself. It's kind of funny because the instruction says I need to put it, um, I need to wet it one at a time, but I'm so lazy to do it. So as you can see in the video, I did it. So hi guys, I'm back. Look at that. It's curl already, but I need to fix it first, and I forgot where's the clip, so I'm gonna put it over here and clip this one here. So I'm gonna look at that, it's so nice. I'm gonna fix this one first and also here because I'm not yet done. I'm gonna put a so for the last one, I think it turned out really good. I'm gonna have a curly hair. Let's try it now. And for the last medicine that I'm gonna put on my hair is this one, the neutralizer. So I'm gonna shake this one and put on my, this one is an ice cream because I like ice cream, you know me. I'm gonna press it here over. This one smells better than the first one. Look at that. I'm gonna dip all my hair. Alright, I'm gonna give it here. It takes only 15 minutes, but I think I have waited for like an hour for the medicine to sink, so that the medicine will be absorbed. I'm not even sure if every hair has a medicine in it, but I hope so, because it won't really look good if I don't have a medicine in each of the hair. So you guys should try it at home, but it really doesn't smell that good, but I think it's all worth it. On the other side also, I'm gonna dip all the hair over here. I don't know what the neutralizer means, but I hope it works. Because I had a doubt if the parlor could take what I like for my hair, so I better do it myself. Do it yourself. And also I like the curl of my hair. I'm just gonna use this one. I'm not using any curler. This is the natural curler. Ta-da! It's done. I have put a neutralizer in it, and let's wait for the final effect. Are you guys excited? Because I am. I am excited. I'm not even sure if it works, but I hope it works. Let's find it out later.
Found your passwords literally on your computer. They were hidden. Clearly not hidden well enough. Well, if they spy on you, they're gonna spy on you too. I'd like to see them try. Oh, my step requires two-factor authentication. God, you are such a nerd. A nerd whose parents can't spy on him. You know what I need? I need to feel alive again. I need to feel like the pulsing. I need to feel like that bitch again.
So, are you guys now ready? I'm gonna fix mine and find out if it works. So cool. Should I stay longer? Let's find out. Okay. Curls. I like the curl. So this is the hardest part, taking off my hair, because some of the part are tangled, so it takes a lot of patience. So guys, this is the result, my DIY kulot. So I'm gonna take a shower again and put some cream soap on it so that the medicine will not really stay so long. I like it. I'm not curly. Curly just here in this part. So with that amazing hair, I'm gonna flip it like this one and like this. See? Okay. So this is so funny because there are few who is not able to be part of the group, just like this one. It's not curled. What should I do with this one? I'm sorry. But I need to wash this one with some conditioner so that it would really look good on me. See you later then. Look at that! I'm no curl. Curly curly. It's not supposed to be what I want. I want a big curl. But what it has given me are small curls. It's kind of messy. I don't know how to take good care of curly hair. So, should I use a comb? Should I not use a comb? I'm just gonna use my hand, tuck it like that. See, this is what I like. I like a strong, a straight, and a curly hair at the tip of my hair. But I want it wavy, just wavy, not really that curly. But look at that, it's so curly. Don't worry. I think it will be wavy soon enough. Maybe not today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe the next day. Not really sure. So after I curl my hair, it's already 4 in the afternoon. So I need to study because I have a lot of case digest to read and 8 chapters to finish, and also I have a publication that I need to publish. That's why I'm there trying to be busy. But then I forgot that I haven't taken my lunch. So I still study again. Um, it's really tired to study, but I'm so glad that I'm passionate about studying, that even though I'm working, I still find therapeutic to crave for knowledge. That's why even though I'm alone, I still make myself productive. So after a while, I was hungry while helping my cousin for his research. Ta-da! After a while, my order already came. Thank you, Ate. She's a girl, and I have been ordering food from Ihatod, so thank you so much. And yeah, it's time for dinner and also my lunch. It's so funny because whenever I'm at home, sometimes I don't like to cook. I just want to savor every time that I have here in my house. So, yeah, whenever I'm at home, I don't really like to cook. So, I guess that's all for today because not sure if I'm gonna go to church tonight because it's still raining hard here and I'm so afraid to go to church whenever it is inconvenient on my part, so I just stay at home. Anyway, if you have a chance to go to church tonight, just go to church. Happy midweek, everyone, and thank you for watching to my vlog. This is actually my first voiceover vlog, so I hope you guys like it. Bye.